In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to pick the best POIs and how to trade POI. So what's POI? Alright, so POI is simply point of interest. So that means where you want to sell or buy from. Simply where you want to sell or buy from. Alright, so POI. So using the strategy we trade, we want to be looking for a sweep to the downside, break or structure to the upside, structural liquidity, then before expecting price to come to this level. For the sell scenario, we want a sweep with the eye, then a break or structure to the down, structural liquidity, then we want to expect price to come all the way here. So where is your POI? Your POI is everywhere below your structural liquidity. Everywhere below your structural liquidity. That is your point of interest. Now, in this point of interest, there are now other points of interest that you want to, necessarily, take trades from exactly. So one of them is failed order blocks in this level. The other block that failed here, for example, the last set candle before this buy move that failed is your Cosmodo entry. That's one POI. So one POI is your QMD. QMD, that's one POI. So that's QMD. That should be your number one. Sorry. Then two, your order block OB, then 3, you have your S and R. Stay to the end of this video so that you get to understand how to use all these other blocks, right? So QMD is your failed order block that failed. That's the other block that failed here. So that's where you want to be buying from exactly. This video, I don't want it to be very long. So your stop loss just below the low, and you will be buying to the upside. Right? For your QMD, for the success scenario, the other block that failed, then you will be buying, selling from this exact level, and your stop loss is just above the eye. Now I will show you examples on the chart so that you get to understand what I'm showing you. So that's one. Then OB, your order block, simply after your break or structure to the upside, right? The order block that is left here, that order block is your entry. So instead of using that level, you now use this level. Let me take out that first level. That's your entry. Stop loss just below it. You buy all the way up. Same thing for the sell scenario. You take this out. But first of all, take note that everywhere below your structural liquidity is your POI, or above any of them. So that's that. Then the last POI is your support and resistance level. So this resistance level here is your POI. This support level here is your POI. So you'll be wondering, are you going to enter a trade from there? The truth is, you just put your stop loss just below it. The support level will be the closing price of the candle at this weak area. Don't worry, I'll show you an example. Then your entry will be here. So these are, I get some sniper entries, and so that's that. So now let's dive into the chart. Let me show you the first example I have here. So the first example I have here is let me remove. Let me clean my chart. Okay, don't worry about that. So don't mind this, don't mind what's going on here. All this, but what I want to show you is here. So you see this trade I'm currently on now. See, this is the 4-hour time frame, but let me use the 30 minutes time frame for this example. After doing my top down analysis and I've seen that we are bearish, what did I do? I looked for my setup again. So I saw the sweep of this eye, break or structure to the down, structural liquidity, that is internal structural liquidity, which we are here. So everywhere above here is my POI, like I said. And if you look, this one use the order block that failed to hold price, and that was where it started tanking from. You can as well still use this one as the entry. So you see that one is quite precise. That's at this leg. That's this other block that failed at that leg. That one is quite precise. And you're entering from here, and your stop loss above this high. And you'll be targeting the same level. So that's one POI. That's one POI. You Cosmodo entry, the Cosmodo entry, right? Cosmodo entry, and you're good to go. Let me look for another one, another POI. The next one is the order block. I'll just show you these things quickly so that we can, let me look for. Okay, all right. So this one is a good example. We had a break or structure to the downside. Then we had a sweep of this high. We had a sweep of that high, and this is the last buy candle before the push down, which is has this structural liquidity. So it is the sample 2 order block entry. This is your TP. Now that's the order block. Let me look for a buy scenario. So I just want to do this on this pair so that we're good to go quickly. Support and resistance entry. Okay. Although this is not the TP, but let me just use it to explain what I'm saying. This is your sweep of the eye. This is your break of structure to the downside. Your last eye before the major eye is your structural liquidity. And we add this resistance level. This is it, that resistance level. If you go to your line chart, change it to line. At the top of this line, the resistance level. So you can see the sniper entry there. So guys, tell me which POI you'll be using, and I hope this helps you. Please, if you're new here, please like, share, subscribe. This is the Era FX, the Era Traders FX. We're here again. So please, this is what we do here. We teach you how to trade. If you want to join my mentorship, you can DM me just $100 to join my mentorship. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you in the next one.